on halfway. We've been paddling for about 2.5 hours. So my mate Grant and Alan are over there behind me. We're just having a bite to eat, having a bit of a pee break, and we'll get some photos in a minute. And yeah, halfway to the South Island. So. Hey guys, we're just at the entrance of Tory Channel here, and surprise, surprise, out comes a ferry. So we've got the Blue Bridge one coming on approach. We want to keep out of his way. Island, as you can see, the boys are still alive, so well stoked about life.